Hi fam, welcome back to Real Review. Today our review is on power of self-replication. Get power of self-replication PLR that includes full PLR rights to high quality content and promotional materials. Why you have to grab this PLR package today? A never seen before 100% done for you package ready to resell. Properly research hot niche selling like pancakes. Fully integrated sales funnel with all sales material, just push a button and sell. Slap your name on it and claim it as your own. Grab all the high quality content for your ebook, blog articles, or sell it and keep all profit without all hard work. Finally, build your buyers list effortlessly. Power of self-reflection covers all the in-demand topics such as what reflection is and why it is so important, the little-known technique for managing anxiety, depression and stress, 4 shocking side effects of self-reflection and how to avoid them, the costly mistake that many people make when reflecting, surprising benefits of failure and making mistakes, most accurate indicator of how well your day will go, biggest time wasters and how to avoid them, how to let go of your past and live a happy life, secret to a healthy body and mind, 7 amazing benefits of letting go of your past, 15 practical ways to improve your life with self-reflection, why consistency is the force of life, and much more. Here is why you should launch your own product. Keep all the profit you make, 100% profit after just one sale. Instantly be seen as an authority. A shortcut to brand yourself as an expert in your niche. And keep all the leads you generate. Fast and zero cost. You will have your affiliates building your list for you. Have your own army or affiliates. Instead of just being an affiliate, you now have a huge army of affiliate promoting your product. Build buyers list. No more call, non-responsive subscribers list. Launch your own business empire. Yes, so you can finally focus on building your own business that you're proud of, not somebody else. Power of self-reflection. How to reflect on your past and make meaningful changes is the ultimate blueprint to help you achieve happiness and success in life by recognizing the strengths and weaknesses. This system is created with 100% passion and uniqueness that is both comprehensive and effective. Information shared in this powerful system works as long as there are massive execution and consistency. This PLR package is also packed with a full-blown sales funnel plus all the necessary sales material to make your marketing effort to profit close to zero. Simply said, power of self-replication is an extreme life tool that your people will love. For reasons why you need to get this is top quality information provided. This guide is written with exceptional quality from the top writers with years of experience producing top quality information products on self-help topics. The second one, passion-driven content. As mentioned, this guide is written with absolute passion from an insider of the self-help niche and the belief that the information we are about to share is a life changer. Hottest topic in the biggest niche. In fact, it is the most in-demand topic in the self-help community with millions taking the internet for useful information. Plus, the PLR have unimaginable reach to a broad range of users. And they commit to 100%. They have created the products with the mindset of releasing it as their own. So they put their 200% effort to get it done. So the quality you are about to receive is the best of its kind. The power of self-reflection is the best creation in self-help niche yet, and we are handing it over to you so that you can offer tremendous value to your existing self-help audience or even kickstart your own self-help gear. So here's your chance to grab the power of self-reflection with private label rights, meaning you can take this product and brand it as your own. No more headaches on content, no more pain on product creation. Grab PLR now. You can check out the link in my description. Price tag you see below is just a special introductory offer, and this discounted price will increase in coming days without knowing. So act now, don't delay and grab it now while it's still at the lowest price possible. Are you ready to make money starting from today? If your answer is yes, what are you waiting for? Simply click the button below and get started instantly. All the arsenals to make money online are ready for yours to grab if you act today. This is all about the review on PLR, the power of self-reflection. Stay tuned for the next video. Until the next Mural review, signing off and take care.